Hi friends, welcome to my bedroom again. We're back here. That means we're not doing anything very exciting. As you can see, this is in real life. Just washed my hair like 11, oh actually it's 12 a.m. I'm thinking about doing something fun today because we've been stuck at home for a month now, and just want to talk about the use of foam rollers. So I have these guys here. So these things is like the foam can come out, and essentially you close this in, by snapping it, and your hair is like trapped with the foam. I got these half-inch foam rollers, super tiny, and I have about 20 something of them, and these are all going to my hair. The reason why I choose to do foam rollers is because they are really soft. I usually sleep in my curlers, so it's more comfortable to be with. I tried other rollers but they didn't work, and I'm too lazy to curl it during the daytime where I am already sleeping in and late for everything. It is an arm workout, so I definitely have my Fitbit on, and we'll see my heart rate at the end of this. Oh! Depends on how much you want your curls to curl and last. I usually put in some mousse. Oh my god. That's a lot of foam. That's a lot of foam. Shit. I think I put too much. Got very excited. It's only going to be too curly, which is fine. You can always use water to, lighten that out. Okay. Try not to lose this part. Once you're done, you hold on to this and you really just clip it. Like there. My arms are already so sore. Why do I have to choose to do this so late? So sore. I can tell you right now which part of muscles are you using. You're using your whole shoulder over here, both sides, and some biceps. You gotta do this. You hold it. Oh shit. I don't have enough rollers. I have 4 left. With all this hair, I think we'll make it. Oh my god, how long did that take? 30 minutes. Good morning. So it's too early for this. Didn't really sleep well last night, but let's see how the buns come out. I think I had too much tea last night. You know, whatever. Or just pull it out and then pull out your Sometimes when it gets super tangled, I just take this off. And I just take this off. And then the foam is in there. And just slide it off. And let your curls be tangled. Oh! That's all the curlers in my hair. This is so much fun. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair like this for today because I'm not going anywhere. Anyway, I'm just kidding. I will style it and then I'll show you guys how it looks. Probably going to comb it apart just a little bit so they're not all stick together like ramen noodles. It really doesn't help that my hair is like half blonde and half black. Quarantine hair another day. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Hey! You didn't think I was gonna leave you guys watching me talk in my pajama for the rest of the video, right? I owe you to put on some makeup and get dressed. Okay? How I style my hair, first of all, I really just comb it through a little bit so they're a little loose because we slept on it and where it's near our scalp it's really flat. So my favorite thing is to use a clip and just, you know, have my hair entirely elevated on the side so they don't look flat. That's my favorite way for the first day of these curly hair. And you just get a lot of volumes in the back. 2 different clips for different times, right? I know now we all like to have those giant hair clips on the side just for decoration. You can do that too. I love to play with the contrast of the volume and the curls. I just thought about to put some scrunchie on, but that didn't quite work because of all the curls and the scrunchie, so it just looked like a big turd on my head. The bandanas really brought it back to the 60s, 50s, whatever you call it. I think that's really cute too because I just love the style of having like a bunch of curls in one place. But that's how I would style the first day, and then the second and the third day. Yeah, that's right. We're doing this because we're going into a long haul. I'm doing this just so I don't need to wash my hair for 4 days and then my hair looks fabulous for like a week. And maybe on the third day I will comb everything out because by the time the curl is going to be really soft and not as tight anymore, and when you comb it out it kind of gives the volume back so you can continue to have your beautiful curl. I just noticed that because my blonde and my black is like in extreme contrast, so even though there wasn't a real hole in the back of my head, it looks like there is. I'm gonna have to keep that in mind, and when I style it, to add a little bit more curls in that direction, maybe like this. Something like this I would go on for my first day. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Just watching me work out my arms and my shoulders was pretty fun last night, and sleeping through it is really just like sleeping on little tiny baby finger sausages. I actually looked up foam foam curlers or sponge curlers. I think my curlers are sponge. I have the foam ones. They look like foam shaped straws. I think those are not as great because once you wrap your hair really tightly around the foam, unless it's really good foam, the shape isn't going to be resilient enough to go back up, you know, so you're gonna have indent of your hair wraps under your foam, and then through time it's not gonna work anymore. So I prefer the sponge ones. Now you can see the effect of 20-something half an inch sponge curlers look like. Oh my god, if you're still here at the end of this video, that means you're probably just leaving it running, or you're just really bored and you like to watch me ramble. I promised last night I was going to show you what I was looking at when I was working on my arms and my shoulders. This is a frame that I got from Disneyland. This frame is literally the funniest frame. Look at this. So it has almost all the characters on there. But the funniest thing is, look at that. How to force your friend to be a part of Disney. Just Photoshop their hats on them. Look at Chip and Dale. They also are wearing hats. These guys are eating the Mickey shaped freaking popsicles. There's even Duffy. Look at Wally. He's like, what is this? Do I eat it or do I put it in my compartment? Look at Mickey. Of course he has a lanyard with an annual pass. It is so funny. You see Mary Poppins? It's a shame that they're not wearing Mickey hats because that would be so funny. Look at these guys. Ha! I hope you enjoyed this. This is a really cute shadow box frame, and every time I see it, I just feel very happy because I just look at them forced to be wearing those ridiculous Mickey hats. Okay, bye. I think I talked too much. See you on the next one.